welcome to another Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt. This is Clue 9 of Tree of Life in the small colorway. I am doing Redwood. The blocks are actually so small the paper covers it, so that's pretty cool. These blocks took me 19 minutes. There is only one set of 4, so it was a really quick sew. I really enjoyed that. I am very behind on getting these videos out. It's November 4th, and I spent the first 2 weeks of October with my mom, and then we rolled into a drill weekend, and then I had a weekend off where I recorded, and then I had another drill weekend, and I've been sick. So that's why these videos have been so late getting out, but I promise we will be doing Clue 10 together. I will be doing a live sew on November 9th, which is a Saturday. I don't know if I will get to both quilts. I will definitely do one. That's the goal. And then maybe on November 10th, I'll do a second one. We'll see. We'll just see how it works out. I don't know how much time I'll have. And I don't know how much time it'll take me. In the past, I've tried to do both quilts in one day, and it has not gone well for me. I always have to either split the live stream, or I have to come back another day. So I hope you will join me for that, and let's go ahead and get straight into our inventory.
All right, so I have laid out our pieces for this pack for Tree of Life Clue 9 in the small size. So let's go ahead and go through what we should have. What you should have in your pack in the small triangles are 8 of fabric A and 8 of fabric D. In your medium triangles, you should have 4 of fabric D and 4 of fabric E. And then in your squares, you should have 4 fabric A and 4 fabric D. This looks like a pretty straightforward sew. There's 4 of one block. You're making 4 of these. So I will go ahead and meet you at the sewing machine. All right, so for Tree of Life Clue 9 in the small size, it looks like we only have 4 blocks. They look pretty straightforward. 5 steps. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm about to start sewing, and so I'm going to speed up this next part of the video, and I hope you have a good time, and I'll meet you at the end of the speed sewing for the reveal. Enjoy!
All right, friends, that's it for Clue 9. I'm excited to see how this all comes together. I have kind of seen some of the quilts on the Cotton Cuts Facebook and seen how they come together. It's a really beautiful quilt. I don't know that I've seen Green Meadow yet, and I definitely have seen Redwood in the small size, and I think they're both, well, I think Redwood is beautiful. It looks different than I thought it would, but I honestly don't know how I thought it would turn out. So, I hope you had a good sew for your Clue 9. As always, if you have been taking pictures with your Flat Nancy, please go ahead and load that up to the Cotton Cuts website for some fun prizes. I haven't been consistent this year with Tree of Life. I'm trying to be better with Wild West, but because I've been out of town, I don't know that that's, I don't know that I think I'm out of the running now for Wild West, but that's okay. Um, just make sure you go ahead and do that. Post your quilts on their Facebook page and their blogs. Everybody loves seeing them. I hope you had a good sew with this. I hope to see you on November 9th for our live sew. I will set a video as a premiere so that you can, or I will schedule it so that everybody can, go ahead and add that to their schedule. Um, if you liked the video or you like the videos that I'm doing, please go ahead and like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. That's what I'm trying to do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!